Hey y'all, welcome to What Chelsea Eats. Thank you so much for joining me today. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you this healing cranapple juice recipe with a kick. If you want to see how I make it and why I make it, stay tuned. The recipe for this juice is down in the description box below this video, but I wanted to share. Right now, cranberries are in season and they are abundant in the grocery store, so pick up some fresh cranberries so you can make this juice as soon as possible. The benefits of this juice are amazing. We're going to start off with the cranberries. I have about 12 ounces of cranberries. The reason cranberries are so beneficial, not only are they cleansing and detoxifying because they are a high water content fruit and they are astringent, but they're good for the urinary tract, they're good for digestive health, heart health, skin health, immunity, PMS, post and premenopausal symptoms. The next ingredient that I'm adding is apples. My favorite apple is opal apples, and I think they're still in season. They're kind of at the end of the season for opal apples now, but I love the taste and texture of them. But you can use any kind of apple that you would like for this. The reason that I like to put apples in this juice is because of the fiber, which helps with digestion and constipation and helps control blood sugar levels. But this one also has vitamin C in it. So if you are someone who has low iron and you're trying to absorb iron, vitamin C is important for you to have in the foods that you eat. You know, there is so much that I can say about ginger, but I'm going to keep it simple. The reality is that women with reproductive issues have a high level of inflammation in their body because reproductive issues are inflammatory conditions. So ginger helps reduce inflammation. It strengthens the immune system. It supports the liver, which helps get the inflammation in your body under control. But it also helps menstrual pain. Do any of you have menstrual pain or discomfort during your menstrual cycle? Then it's a good thing to add ginger to your juices and your smoothies, as well as drinking ginger tea. Last ingredient is key limes. If you don't have any key limes, just use a regular lime, or you can use lemon. But the reason I like key limes is because they still have the seeds in them, and they also help with iron absorption. They help cleanse the kidneys. They have plenty of vitamin C in them, and also they're good for your bones and teeth. So I've prepared my ingredients. I'm going to use my Super Angel juicer, the 8500 series. If you want to know more about this juicer, there is a link down in the description box where I talk all about the Angel juicer. It's an amazing juicer. I wish I had it 10 years ago, but I'm going to go ahead and show you how I make this juice in my Super Angel. So it took me 7 minutes to run the ingredients through my juicer. To me, that's very quick. I'm also a veteran juicer, so I know how to clean my vegetables and get everything set up for the juicer very quickly. And the way you become a veteran juicer is by doing it very often. I try to make a juice every day, but these days I don't make it every day. But I can tell you that during the bulk of my healing journey, I drank a green vegetable juice almost every single day. And this isn't a green juice, but this is kind of a detoxification juice, if you will, because of the astringent nature of the cranberries and the limes that I'm putting in this juice. Also, I used to have a lot of pain in my body, so using things like turmeric and ginger in juices helps to alleviate that pain and also move the pain and inflammation out of the body. That's why it's important to have juices that have those anti-inflammatory properties in them. Again, down in the description box, I actually have 3 different juice recipes that you can watch if you are struggling with reproductive issues and you're trying to use juice as a way to help your body heal. So there's recipes, and there's also more information about the Angel juicer. So I'm finishing up this juice, and I'm just wanting to encourage you that if you are struggling badly with the reproductive issues, try juicing every day. Get into the juicing habit and getting rid of the foods that make you sick. If you haven't already, downloaded my foods to avoid list, it's time to download it. I will put a link up in the cards, and there is a link down in the description box so you can download that ebook for free. Also, if you have been on this fibroid healing journey for a while and you're just not making the progress that you want to make, maybe it's time you ask for some help. My Fibroid Detox Collective starts again in January, on January 12th, as a matter of fact. So if you want to learn more about what the Fibroid Detox Collective Group Coaching Program is all about, there is a link down in the description box below this video where you can learn more, and I also put it up in the cards. You don't have to suffer this journey alone. You can get well. If you've made it to this part of the video, thank you very much. I am so grateful that you watched this video, and I hope you try this recipe. It's one of those recipes that can boost your healing journey. And if you think that you know someone that this recipe can benefit, please share this video, like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if no one told you they love you today, Chelsea in North Carolina loves you very much. And I'll talk to you soon. Take care.